Now, in this video, we are going to take up a problem on Pentagonal Lamina. How to solve this problem by using the SolidEdge software. A Pentagonal Lamina of edges 25 mm is resting on one of its edges on HP, with corner opposite to that edge touching VP. The edge parallel to VP and the corner which touches VP is at a height of 15 mm above HP. Draw the projections of the lamina and determine the inclination of the lamina with HP and VP and the distance at which the parallel edge lies from VP. So this is the problem. So we will go for the SolidEdge screen. So this is the default screen wherein the sheet is set for A2. Now since in the examination we have to take the printout in A4, so I need to format the sheet to A4. So to do that, I will go for right click on sheet 1, go to sheet setup. So go to the background sheet, make that A4 and remove the show background and say OK. Then I want to fit to the display of A4. Therefore, you go to fit option. Now I need to write the text, that is the question. So to do that, I will go for text. So here select on font as Times New Roman and the font size as 4. Then take the cursor and click it here. Then I want a pentagonal lamina of edges. A pentagonal lamina of edges 25 mm is resting on one of its edges on HP with corner opposite to that edge touching VP. Then the edge parallel to VP and the corner touches VP is at a height of 15 mm above HP. Draw the projections of the lamina. Then draw the projections of the lamina and determine the inclination of the lamina with HP and VP and the distance at which the parallel edges lie from VP. Okay. Now once you do that, now I need to move this entire thing. So to do that, I will go to sketching, click on move, disable copy, you select this and move it here. So this is the first thing what we need to do. Then I need to write the pentagon first. So here first I will write a pentagon. So before writing that pentagon in IntelliSketch, make sure that you have the horizontal or vertical are enabled and also the intersection point is enabled. So first I will go for a line command, select this and make it 0.05, that is the line width. I want to have 0.05. Consider any arbitrary point and take the distance as 25 less than 25, angle is 0. Then I want 25, then 72 degrees, then I want 25, then 72 plus 144, then 25, then 144 plus 72, that is 216, then 25, 216 plus 72 is 288. So we got the pentagon. So I want to create this as a block. So that is the group. Select this by holding the first button of the mouse make sure that the entire pentagon is selected within the window, and release the first button of the mouse, and then you accept it or right click it. Now if you select this, all these sides will going to be selected at a time. Then you come down to this and make it 0.5. Okay. So once you do that, now I need to rotate this. So here I will go to rotate command, disable copy, select this. I will take this horizontal line, okay, rotate from this horizontal line to become vertical line. Okay. Now I will go for a move command, move this and place it wherever you want. Then I will go for text command, and here take the text size as 3 and you mark these points here. First I will mark this as A, then B, then C, then D, then E. Now you come down to zoom window, then go to move, disable copy, select this and keep it here, then B here, then C here, then D here, move it outside. Okay. Now I want to go to this zoom window, then go to line command, draw a horizontal line of any length. Okay. Then I will take the project from this to the XY line and take the intersection point of these two, and then from the intersection part of these two you take this vertical line. Then go to trim these lines here. Okay. Then go to select this line and make it 0.5. Now you break this, go to split this line and break this line here. Then you go to group this line and this line and right click. Now I want to name them. So to do that I will go to text and here I will type A dash, then we have B dash which is visible near to the observer, C dash is also near to the observer, so then D dash becomes invisible in bracket, and also E dash in bracket because that is also invisible. Then right click, then go to fit, then come down to zoom window. Okay, then go to move, disable copy, you select this and keep it here, B dash. Okay, then here it is E dash, then here it is C dash, then D dash. Okay. Now this is the first position what we need to write. Then I want to draw a line from the intersection point of these two and then draw a horizontal line. So now I want to go for dimensioning variables. Click on ISO, click on modify, click on general, make this black. Okay, then come down to text, make this text as Times New Roman and font size as 3, and come down to lines and coordinates, make this as 0.1 and say OK and say apply. Now I need to give the dimension of this first. So I will go to distance between this line and this line, you make it 25. Okay. Now, so he says with the opposite one of its edges on HP. So here I will go for zoom window. With one of its edges on HP with corner opposite to the edge touching VP. The edge parallel to VP and the corner touches VP is at a height of 15 mm above HP. So now offset, what is the distance I want to offset? 15 mm. Take this and you measure this and take this point. Now I need to consider this point. How to do that? So I will go for the distance between, okay, measure between these two. So what is that? 38.47. Now I will go for, now I consider any point. From there I want to cut an arc of 38.47 radius. So to do that, so here I will enable point on element. So then I will go for arc. I will consider any center point as this, any point. Then what is the radius I want? The radius I want is 38.47. 38.47 radius. Sweep angle I will going to take 10 degrees. Okay. Then I will going to cut it on this line. Okay. Now we have the marking. Now I will going to delete this mark. Then I will keep it. Now what I want this line to be placed on the center of this. So to do that, I will remove point on element. Then I will click on center. Okay. Now I will go to select move. Then enable copy. Then I will take this. I want the end point of this, that is the intersection point of this, to be on the center of this. Where is the center? The center is this, so I will take it here. Okay, keep it here. Then I will delete this, which is that this line I don't want, so you remove it. So then what I need, I will want this line. So now I want this same center, but this line should be on the intersection point of this. So to do that, I will go to rotate command. Command is rotate. Since I want the endpoint as the same point, I want to retain the same endpoint, you will take it. Then remove center, select this line, take endpoint of this, and this endpoint should lie on this intersection point. Okay. So this is how you will be able to write the command. Suppose if you want again, I will show it. So I will say Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. I will remove this entire thing now. Okay. Okay now. The first thing is, I will do the dimensioning of this between these two, 38.47. So again, I will delete this line. Then go to line command, draw a line from endpoint. I will draw a horizontal line first of any length. Then I will go for offset. What is the distance? 15. So you select this line and right click, offset it. Now I will delete this. Okay. Sorry. Now I want the arc to be taken, 38.47 arc. So to do that, I will go for point on element. Okay, remove endpoint. I will take, select arc command by center, take any arbitrary point as the center. So what is the radius I want? The radius is 38.47. So I will type 38.47, enter. So what is the sweep angle? The sweep angle is 10 degrees. So I will take the cursor here and click. Now what I want? I will delete this line. Okay. I will delete this line. Even that also you can do that. So I will delete this. Okay. Then I will go for move command, enable copy, select this, take the point, remove point on element and take this intersection point or this intersection point to be on the center of this line. Where is the center? The center should be on this line. So I click on the center, take the cursor here, so you got the center point here. Okay, now you can see the center is enabled. Previously the center was not enabled, so therefore you are not able to get the center. So once I go to the IntelliSketch and enable center point, now as you take the cursor here, so the center point will going to be selected here. So you bring it this to this. Okay, now you right click. Once you do that, now I want this endpoint to be placed here with the same endpoint here. So for that I will take endpoint. So again I will go for rotate option. So here go to rotate, disable copy, you select this. So I will take the center is there, so I will take this endpoint. Of course, since endpoint is enabled, I will take this endpoint, and this endpoint should go to this intersection point. So you will get this line. Now once you do that, so you remove center, it's not required. Then you go to fit, go to line command, draw a line from endpoint, or you remove this endpoint, it is not required now for the time being. You take the intersection point of these two and draw a horizontal line. Now I want the line to be the intersection of these two. Okay, sorry. Now I will go to write all these things here first. So go to select, in this we have the endpoint, or we will take one more thing. So we are going to project this and then we are going to write those points so that you will be able to see the exact point there. So go to line, take the intersection point of this, that is A dash. So from here you take this intersection. So you got trim corner between these two. I got the first point. Similarly, I want the second point here. Where is that? Line. You go to the end point of this. So you click on the end point of this and take it here. So which is that? B dash E dash. So to do that, I will go for line, remove endpoint. There it's not required. Take the intersection part of this, and similarly from here you take the intersection part of this. Okay. Then go to trim corner between these two and between these two. Okay. Then again go to line command, draw a line from the intersection point of this. Then you take between intersection point of these two now. From here also from here. Okay. Then go to trim corner between this and between these two. Okay. Now we have the pentagon surface. Now I will go for split this line till here. Okay, and split this line till here. Then go to delete this. Now you go for move command. So go to move, enable copy, take A dash and keep it here. Then you take B dash, and you know exactly where you can do that. So that is the reason why I did it like this. So to get the intermediate point, I am using like this. So go to C, then D dash. So we have now we want to write the top view. So to write the top view, I will take A, then I will take B, then I will take C, then I will take D, then I will take E. Okay. Now I will go for line command, draw a line from the intersection point of these two to intersection point of these two, then intersection point of these two, then intersection point of these two, then intersection point of these two. Now I will going to extend this for the construction purpose. I will want to extend this. Then I will go for a split command. Split this line till here. Okay. Then you split this line till here. Then you split this line till here. Now you go to sketch. Select. By holding the shift key, you select all these 5 lines. Okay. And make this line to be 0.5. Then you group this. Okay. And then you select these two also. You got this. Now I need to rotate. So I need to copy this and rotate such that he says with corner opposite to that edge touching VP. Now the corner opposite to this edge is in front of VP. Now I go for move command, enable copy. You select this and you keep it here. Okay. Then what I need to rotate in clockwise. So to do that, I will go to rotate command, select this. I want to rotate this vertical line to be on the horizontal like this. Okay. Now I want to keep this point on the XY line. So to do that, I will go for move command, disable copy. You select this. I will take this intersection point to be on this. So you keep on point on element. So here you place it wherever you want. Point on element. Okay, so this is on the XY line. So now once you do that, so you have these points. So you are rotating in clockwise. So what happens to the text? So A will come here, move, enable copy, take move and place it here, A. Then remove point on element down. Then go to B, select this and keep it here. Then C, keep it here. Then D, keep it here. Then E, keep it here. Okay, once you got this, now I need to write the front view. So to do that, I will go for line command, draw a line from intersection and then go to trim corner between these two. Then go to line, select this intersection point and draw a horizontal line. Similarly from here, you take the vertical projector. Okay, then go to trim corner between these two and between these two. Then go to line and then take the till here only, and from here D till here only. Then go to trim these two now. Once you do that, now you go to zoom window. Now you name them. So go to text, write the text as A dash, then you write B dash, then you write C dash, then you write D dash, then you write E dash. Now you go to move, disable copy, take A dash here, then you B dash here, then C dash on this side, then D dash on this side, then E dash on this side. So go to line, take the intersection point to this intersection point, to this intersection point, to this intersection point, and to this intersection point. Now go to split this line till here, and then you split this line till here. Now you go to select by holding the shift key, place it on this side, then go to 0.5. Once you do that, now you go to fit. Now I need to write the profile view. So to do the profile view, because inclination with respect to both HP and VP is given. So I will draw x1, y1 line at any distance, then go to line and take this intersection point. So you take between these two intersection point, and then you say 100 mm, angle is minus 45 because clockwise direction. Then you just project this point directly, A dash onto this. So you got trim, so you got A double dash. Then you take B and E and draw a horizontal line, and similarly from here also you take a horizontal line. Then from these two, then go to line between these two, you select, then go to trim corner between these two now, then between these two, then go to line, draw a line from the intersection point. Okay, from here you take this, then go to trim corner between this line and this line, so between these two. Okay, now you go to line command, draw a line from the intersection onto this side. So now you join between this point to this point directly. So all these 3 points will going to lie on the same line. Now you go to split this line till here, then you split this line till here, and then you split this line till here. Then go to select this line, delete it. Okay, you select this line and delete it. Now you select this line and make this as 0.5. So now this is the side view. Now here I will write text. I will write, put the caps lock on, type x1, and here you type y1, and here you type y, and here you type RPP, that is right profile plane, and here you write small a double dash. Then in this case it is B double dash and D double dash. B double dash and write E double dash again. Then in this case it is C double dash and D double dash, C double dash and D double dash in bracket. So now we have all these things. Now I will go for FET and move this entire thing. I will select this entire thing and bring it here. Okay. Now you go to this portion and go to move, take A double dash here, B double dash here, then E double dash here. Then I will go for a line command. I will extend this line till to some extent so that I can place the Y at some distance outside. So extend command will always need a boundary. So for that reason I am constructing that. Then go to RPP. So you take C double dash here and then D double dash here. So this is Y1. Okay. Now we have the entire drawing is finished. So now I will go for the line command here. I will take this as the XY line, put the caps lock on, type X, and here you type VP and here you type HP. Then go to zoom window, then go to more, disable copy, you take X, then VP, then HP now. Now to do this again, now I want this XY line. By holding the shift key, you take this XY line and this X1 Y1 line all to be of 0.13. So go to this and make it 0.13. Now I need to give the dimensions. So how to give the dimensions? So here you come down to this. So go to distance between, select between these two. So you're going to get 25. Okay. Then you select between these two. Select between these two, that distance is 15. Now I want to type here, what is that L? The distance between this line and this line, which is 35.43 here. And now I want to go for dimensioning variable. Go to modify, click on units, make this angular up to second decimal point and say OK and say apply. Now we go for zoom window and I want to give the angle between these two, which is 67.05, and between these two it will be 22.95. So the sum of these two will be always be equal to 90 degrees. So to do that, so here I will type text. So here I will type 35.43 mm. I will say mm, then I will type 67.05 by holding the alt key 0176 and you will going to get 0 degree symbol. Then I will click on 22.95 by pressing the alt key, type 0176, you will get the degree symbol. So now I will go for move, disable copy. So you select this and you keep it here. Okay. Now here you type L, that is capital L for this, then go to move, select this and keep it here. Now you go to display, remove this and you keep it nominal, blank. Now here you type L equals question mark. Then you rotate this, go to rotate command, disable copy, select this horizontal line has to become vertical, then go to move, select this and keep it here. Now you go to this and make this line to be of blank. I don't want text to be seen there. Similarly here I don't want the text to be seen blank. So now once you do that, you go to text, here select symbol. So here put the caps lock off, type theta for this and this is for phi, F. Then go to move, select this and move it inside. So you select this and keep it here. Then you come down to this, enable copy. So here phi is for this one and here theta is for this one. Okay. Then go to zoom window, then go to move, disable copy. Now you take L is 35.43 mm, then you have 67.45, 67.05, then you have 22.95. The sum of these two angles will always be equal to 90 degrees. Now this is the final answer what you will go to get. Then to this I will create the boundary, draw a vertical line, then from here you draw a horizontal line. So this is how you go to trim corner between these two. Now you go to move, enable copy, then you select this, and there is no displacement along x direction, so you copy this only in y direction. Then again go to move, select this vertical line, right, select this. I don't want the display in y direction, so 0. Now you copy this and then go to answer, type this as answer. Sorry, go to Times New Roman and here you type answer, then go to move, disable copy, select this and keep it here. So this is how you will be able to write the answer for this. And here I want to go for angular between these two, which is equal to 45 degrees. So this is how you will be able to write the answer by using the SolidEdge software. But how do I know that my problem is that the side is resting on HP, the side opposite to the corner is resting on VP, and the side opposite to the corner is above HP by 15, and this is a side of 25 mm. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using the SolidEdge software. Thank you.